Hi there, welcome to the Schwowin's Nest. Today I am participating in a winter thrifted to gifted collaboration with Craft Today with Rita Renae. Rita does DIYs, hauls, thrifting, lifestyle, and she's got so much stuff going on her channel. It's amazing. You've got to go see what she's doing over there. I've got Rita's channel link in the description box below, and the playlist link is there too. So make sure you check it out and see what everyone has come up with. Rita asked us to go thrifting and find something that we would be happy to gift to someone. I found this metal monogram letter for $4.99, and although the pink and the rusty look of it is nice, I'm not a pink girl, so I would normally not give that pink to anyone else either. I'm going to go ahead and spray paint it with the Tremclad hammered metal finish in silver. That's going to give it a nice galvanized look. To give it a little bit more dimension, I'm taking this black hammered metal finish and I'm just going to give it a few strokes just to deepen up the color and give it some additional texture. It probably would have been okay just leaving it like this, but knowing me, I needed to add a little bit more something to it. So I found this piece of white nautical rope that I had in my stash, and I'm going to hot glue it around the outside of the S just to give it a little bit more of a finished look. When I got to this little inside curve, it proved to be a little bit difficult. My rope was a little too thick, so I ended up having to trim the rope and glue it in place and then start fresh on the other side of the other piece of rope. So after I cut the rope, I saw that I should have left it that way and fed it through to the back of the letter, because now I'm having to very gently push that little bitty piece of rope to the back without ripping off what's already been glued, and it was a little difficult. I did finally get it through and then got it glued on the way I wanted to. And then wouldn't you know it, when I went to the other part of the S, I still cut the end of the rope off too short, and I was fighting with it doing the same thing. Live and learn. I'd like to give a special thanks to Rita for hosting this collaboration. I had a really fun time looking for something at the thrift store. The thrill is always in the hunt. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and share my videos. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and click the bell to get notified when I upload new videos. See you in the next one.